English speaking practice. Hey, have you ever seen a ghost?
No, I haven't. What about you?
I've heard some stories, but I've never seen one myself.
Really? Do you believe in ghosts?
I don't know. It's hard to say. Some people say they've seen ghosts, and some people say they haven't.
That's true. It's just a matter of perspective, I guess.
You know, there are a lot of ghost stories.
Oh, really? Can you tell me some?
Sure, one popular ghost story is about a haunted house.
A haunted house. That sounds spooky. What happens there?
Well, some people say they've heard strange noises and seen objects moving by themselves.
That's creepy. Do you think it's real or just a myth?
It's hard to say. Some people believe it, and others don't.
That's true. I guess we'll never really know until we see it for ourselves.